In today's video, I will be making a classic hash brown, one with eggs and one without. Let's go! Welcome back to Simply Only channel. First of all, peel some potato and onion. Next, shred the potatoes. Shred the onion as well. Finally, slice the leftover potatoes and chop the onion. Squeeze out as much water as you can from the shredded potatoes and onion. Mix the shredded potatoes and onion well. Crack an egg. A pinch of salt. A pinch of pepper. Whip the egg. Pour half of the potatoes onion into the egg. Mix it well. If you find that the egg is too much, add more potato onion. Start the fire and pour in some oil. Turn the pan to evenly distribute the oil around the pan. Slowly place the potatoes into the pan. After that, gently press it with spatula to firmly fix the structure and shape of the hash brown. Cook until nicely brown on the bottom. Then flip it over and cook the other side until brown. Close the lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Add a spoon of garlic paste while serving the hash brown, and voila, you are done. A pinch of pepper, a pinch of salt, flour. Mix it well. If you find that the potatoes is not holding together, add more flour. From here on, it's the same as the previous step, therefore I'll be playing it in a faster pace. So in conclusion, both are delicious whether with eggs or without. The hash brown with egg is softer and have more flavor, while the hash brown without egg is crispier, and it's good for my parents' cholesterol as there are no egg. Last but not least, you can also cut into smaller pieces and treat it as a movie snack. Speaking of movie, if you haven't checked out my previous video on how I set up a budget home theater system, then do check it out. That's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. Leave a comment to tell me what do you think of this video. Be sure to like the video and I'll see you in the next video.